Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today I have really awesome news for everyone who've been waiting for installer 5 to install on their device and have the best experience on jailbroken device. Now, before we get into that, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel and also who've been really part of my channel. And I just want to mention that this is probably going to be last video of 2020. I will see you guys soon in next year, which is 2021. And I just want to say thank you so much and happy new year. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys how to get installer 5 on your jailbroken device. It can be iPhone, iPad, iPod touch, it can be uncovered jailbreak, it can be check rain jailbreak, or the Odyssey jailbreak. Whatever the jailbreak that you're running on your device, you can have installer 5. It is out now and it is available to download. So I'm gonna put all the information in the description below so you guys can easily get it from there. Now let me show you guys and let's get this video started. And the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Cydia. And once we go to Cydia, let's let the Cydia load. Once it load up, and now this is the repository that you need to download installer 5. And as you guys can see, it is added to my device. And then once you add it, just open it and then go to all packages, and there is installer. And now as you guys can see, it is installer 5.0.3-2. and as you guys can see, there is a picture of it. Installer is a new fully functional package manager for jailbroken device on iOS 10 all the way to 13, iOS 13. It was built to stand out from other packages manager, both in speed, function, and the design. Installer is the fastest package manager to even exist for iOS. It is also fully comparable with other packages manager, meaning that you can use installer alongside Cydia, Zebra, or Celio without any issue. So you can use the installer and whatever you're using already. It can be Cydia, Zebra, or the Celio without any problem. Even through our team worked really hard on making installer as stable as possible. There may be some bug. We would really appreciate it if you would report the bug to us on Decode, Twitter, or email. So now this developer, he did really awesome job, and he's just asking for your help. If you guys run into any issue, just report it to him, and he will get back to you guys. So as you guys can right here, you can join him on Decode, follow him on Twitter, or issue report directly from here. So it's up to you. So now this is really awesome news, and I just wanted to make a video on the installer latest update, bring it out to you guys. So hopefully you guys happy, and hopefully you guys, whoever was waiting for it, the waiting time is over. And as you guys can see, now I'm going to show you guys on my device. As you guys can see on the top right corner, if I click on modify, and as you guys can see, it's asking me reinstall, remove, or so as of right now, that means it's installed on my device. So I'm going to exit out of Cydia, and if I go to my Springboard, it's right here, the last app in the bottom. It says installer. If I click on it, as you guys can see, It open up, and then you got the snowboard, and then you got the uh, as, so as of right now, as you guys can see, let me show you guys. I got the Cydia, and then I got the installer, and as you guys can see, you got all the new packages, new themes, new tweaks. It's really awesome, really nice. And as of right now, as you guys can see, this one rail key, so I'm gonna install it. Q, as you guys can see right there, confirm, and it is going to download. Just give a second, and it's asking you to respring. So just like Cydia, but it's really nice, quick, and easy to do so. As you guys can see, the device came back, and if we go back to the setting tweaks, and I believe there's a package right here that we just installed from installer. As you guys can see, the rail key, and this is really awesome, really nice. Cydia, I mean the installer, and the all the credit goes to the developer of this who work on this really hard, really awesome team. And as you guys can see, the in the bottom you got the option. You can go home, changes. There's that, and manager, and then you can search for packages. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. If you guys have any question or concern, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to help you guys. As of this video, I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody, and go ahead and enjoy, have fun, and be safe out there. And I'll see you guys in 2021. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.